Today, I am doing the homework today. I am doing the homework today. Tomorrow, I will submit the homework tomorrow. I will submit the homework tomorrow. Yesterday, I received the homework yesterday. I received the homework yesterday. Today, he is washing the car today. He is washing the car today. Tomorrow, he will drive the car tomorrow. He will drive the car tomorrow. Yesterday, he cleaned the car yesterday. He cleaned the car yesterday. Today, we are watching the movie today. We are watching the movie today. Tomorrow, we will discuss the movie tomorrow. We will discuss the movie tomorrow. Yesterday, we planned to watch the movie yesterday. We planned to watch the movie yesterday. Today, she is wrapping the gift today. She is wrapping the gift today. Tomorrow, we will give the gift tomorrow. We will give the gift tomorrow. Yesterday, she bought the gift yesterday. She bought the gift yesterday. Today, I am cleaning the room today. I am cleaning the room today. Tomorrow, I will decorate the room tomorrow. I will decorate the room tomorrow. Yesterday, I painted the room yesterday. I painted the room yesterday. Today, she is writing the letter today. She is writing the letter today. Tomorrow, she will send the letter tomorrow. She will send the letter tomorrow. Yesterday, she received the letter yesterday. She received the letter yesterday. Today, I am packing the bag today. I am packing the bag today. Tomorrow, I will carry the bag tomorrow. I will carry the bag tomorrow. Yesterday, I bought the bag yesterday. I bought the bag yesterday. Today, he is charging the phone today. He is charging the phone today. Tomorrow, we will buy a new phone tomorrow. We will buy a new phone tomorrow. Yesterday. He lost the phone yesterday. He lost the phone yesterday. Today. We are working on the project today. We are working on the project today. Tomorrow. We will present the project tomorrow. We will present the project tomorrow. Yesterday. We discussed the project yesterday. We discussed the project yesterday. Today. They are baking the cake today. They are baking the cake today. Tomorrow. They will eat the cake tomorrow. They will eat the cake tomorrow. Yesterday. They bought the cake yesterday. They bought the cake yesterday. Today. She is wearing the dress today. She is wearing the dress today. Tomorrow. We will wash the dress tomorrow. We will wash the dress tomorrow. Yesterday. She ironed the dress yesterday. She ironed the dress yesterday. Today. I am listening to the song today. I am listening to the song today. Tomorrow. I will sing the song tomorrow. I will sing the song tomorrow. Yesterday. I heard the song yesterday. I heard the song yesterday.